This activity is called the Jeremy spelling. On the planner, I've just called it Jeremy here. This is just for Genesis Group. Genesis Group, what you're going to do is we're going to talk about nouns and verbs. So I've taken these 5 sentences here from the book called Jeremy about the kookaburra. And I want you to read each sentence or get someone to help you. Colour the noun in blue. Nouns are names of people, animals, places, or things. And the verb in red. Verbs are doing or action words. So you read the first sentence. Decide, is there a noun in this sentence? If you think there's a noun or more than one noun, you colour it in blue. Just colour the word in blue. If you think there is a verb in this sentence, you colour the word or the verb in red. So there's your 5 sentences to do that with. When you've done that, then you look at what you have coloured in blue, and there'll be the nouns, and you write those words here neatly, one underneath the other. Then you go back, look at the words that are in red, they will be your verbs, and you list your verbs on this side, one underneath the other. And in the middle, you can draw Jeremy, the kookaburra. And if we come further this way, we will see that underneath your nouns, a picture of Jeremy and the verbs, we talk about the ending of the book. So after the book had finished, what do you think happened next? When Jeremy was reunited with his family, what happened after that? You can record or you can write your answer. Thanks, guys.